Hey everyone, this is Diane with Owl's Treasures. Today I'm going to be making a beer soap. Going to be using Funky Buddha's Floridian. It's a wheat beer. It's smooth, light, and unfiltered. The brewery is in Oakland Park, Florida, so if you're in the Fort Lauderdale area, it's an excellent place to visit, tour their brewery, and have some food. I'm going to use Micah's More Burst of Energy. To me, it has a scent that kind of reminds me of Florida fruits. So I'm going to prepare the beer and the lye and oils, and we'll get started. Alright, so I have oils. I have my lye water with the Floridian beer. It's fairly dark, which is normal for beer soap. I'm going to use Micah's More Burst of Energy. It does have a yellow tone to it. So we'll see what the batter looks like. If the batter is good, decent to work with, I have Micah's More orange, what is this? Orange coral. So hopefully these are colors that'll work. I have sunflower yellow and peacock blue, all from Micah's and More. So let's get started. I have kale and clay in my oils. Beer soaps tend to accelerate, so we'll see how it works, and we'll see if there's enough time for coloring. There's supposedly no acceleration, no discoloration, so that's helpful when you're making a beer soap. Going to add it all at once, then divide stuff up. Using Funky Buddha's Floridian, as I said. So these are colors that remind me of Florida. As I said, the beer is from Funky Buddha. I like to use local whenever possible. They have 2 locations in South Florida. The one in Oakland Park has tours of the brewery, which I really enjoyed. Boy, this is staying real fluid, which is unusual for a beer soap. And hoping for great things from the swirls. because it stains so nice. Almost looks like a peacock feather. Great. Well, that's it. I made some little embeds. I have shells and little octopi and star. So, still debating whether I want to put those on top. I may, at the very least, do the shells, but this has to thicken up a little bit first. So, we will be back when it's ready to put those on. My hands are a little shaky today. The curse of getting older. I have starfish, which they're probably going to get cut off a little bit. But that should be okay. Hopefully it will still look nice. I tend to like smaller embeds that lay flat on the soap. Not very often that I put larger ones on. I just love that little octopus. So cute. Just made these with melt and pour, with a little bit of bronze. Really hope the inside turned out nice because I love the colors. I was still surprised at how fluid it stayed. little clam shells are cute. I guess actually they're scallop shell. All right, there we have it. Floridian Energy. Haven't quite decided on a name, but that doesn't sound too bad. And stay tuned for the cutting. That will be next. Well, this is still a little soft. Took it out of the mold thinking it was ready, but the corners were still a little soft. So mess those up just a bit. So we will see how this turns out. I love the little octopus on here. That turned out nice. I really like that. Smells great. So overall, very happy. Colors look really nice. Still amazed how fluid this soap was. Definitely a lot of fun to work with. Oh, that one's really pretty. It's like a little wave. I knew some of that starfish would get cut off a little bit, but I don't think that harms the look of it. I think it's pretty cute. So I think these will clean up very nice. Smell is great. Definitely very citrusy, which Florida is known for its citrus. So, very happy with them. Well, thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Subscribe and hit the little bell if you'd like to see more. And if you have some friends that you think would like it, please share. And I will be back for another video.